Hello friends, welcome back. In the previous video we have seen how to use KME Smart no-coding app with ESP32. Today we are going to see how to use Alexa app with KME Smart. So let's start. Open your Amazon Alexa app. Click on More option. Now click on Skills and Games. Search KME Smart. Click again on KME Smart. Now click on Enable to Use. Enter your login and password used for KME Mobile and follow the steps as shown. Now our device is linked with Alexa. Click on Switch. Click on Switch to turn it on. Click on Switch to turn it off. Alexa, turn the switch on. Alexa, turn the switch off. That's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, then please hit like button. Share this video with your friends and do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks again and have a good time.